What's up, good people? Man, I brought y'all these deep fried lamb chops. What y'all think? Deep fried lamb chop. I know everybody like them on the grill, so I just decided to put a little twist to it. What y'all think? Deep fried lamb chop. Let me know what y'all think. Yeah or nay. Y'all get over with it. Turkey Leg King.